Hi guys, I'm Isabella. Welcome to Atellani's channel. Today we are here with the new Samsung S9 and I will be telling you all the new features. First of all, I got myself a coral blue S9. Let's begin. Black box. These are some silicone protections for the earphones. The baby. I was expecting very vibrant blue, but actually it's just so elegant and minimal. The first thing we can notice is that in the back there is this mirror-looking finish. The only problem that I think is that the mirror finish always leaves the phone very dirty. You have all your fingers around it. Anyways, it's a nice finish. Here you can see the dual camera, the finger touch. When you get your phone and you want to unlock it, you just need to put your finger here and it's done. Let's go to the tech specs now. Basically, the sound features are a little better. They use Dolby Atmos surround sound, which is a very good technology. The S9 has 4 GB of RAM, while the S9 Plus has 8 GB of RAM. The battery is also improved. The S9 has 3000 mAh, while the S9 Plus has 3500 mAh. Both cameras has 12 megapixels and the S9 has a 64 GB of storage, but you can increase the storage adding a micro SD card. We have facial recognition and iris recognition. Besides the fingertip, we have also 2 other features to recognize that the phone is yours. The most important thing about the S9, the breakthrough, is the camera. Everybody was expecting to see what's new in the camera, and there are a lot of features to talk about. Okay, let's turn it on. The S9 camera has a lot of specific modes, so if you want to photograph food, or if you want to photograph a panorama, or a live focus, or emoji, hyperlapse, anything, you just need to change the modes and you have it. In the super slow mode, you have this box in the middle of the camera. If you place the object you want to record in this box, it will do an automatic movement recognition. So if you're worried that you will be able or not to do a very good slow motion, this helps a lot. I love to do this. Selfie mode. Of course, if you smile, it takes a selfie. Anyway, if you're in selfie mode, you have Selfie Focus, which will unfocus the background and focus on your face. This normal selfie mode, the AR emoji, and the wide selfie, which is good if you want to show around. It's like, just don't focus on your face. Focus on the content. Yeah. The amazing thing about the super slow-mo is that it will do 960 frames per second in 1080p, which is a lot. Then it will automatically detect the motion and it will do a super slow-mo in only 2 seconds of it. If you're doing a very quick slow-mo video, it will stretch the video and you will have like 15 seconds. Everyone who loves photography, this phone is amazing. I must admit that I'm an Apple's user since like the first iPhone came out, which is like a decade. I've never really thought of changing it, but I really love photography. The camera has a lot of details. Also, the front camera is amazing. And I really like the makeup feature too. That's it for now. I'm super happy to have the S9 to try. I can't wait to try all the camera features and tell you more about it. So leave your comment down below and share your thoughts on the new Samsung S9. Which features do you like the most? Which features are you willing to try? We can start a conversation. Subscribe to Atellani's channel and see you soon. Ciao! That's a wrap. Grande.